welcome to my channel and welcome to my late Stretch the Sketch, also day 16 of 30 Days of Sketches. This lovely sketch by my friend Becky, Rebecca Lockhart Dickman. Love this sketch. I am actually going to have a wedding coming up, actually today, and I'm going to make a card for it. So I have these lovely empty note cards, and this is something I like to do. They're pretty, but I can add to it. I can make it even more special. So I trimmed down, this is 5 1/4 by 4, and it's gonna be my panel. And then it just makes it more personal. And we're gonna do some mixed media on here. And then I'm going to stamp, well, I was gonna stamp this wreath. Maybe I still can. This might be too big. I was gonna stamp this wreath. If I can find a different wreath, I will. I have this Pink Fresh Floral Elements stamp set that I wanna play with. Actually, that'll be perfect. It's okay if it goes off. So we're gonna do some mixed media on there. I'm gonna stamp that, and then I'm gonna either lay up some frames and a label or something. And I've got this fun stamp set by Ink Road. Yeah, I think. Princess Bride stamps, and they have this marriage. Marriage is what brings us together today. And so I'm going to just do the marriage on the outside, and then I'm going to put the rest of it stamped on the inside. So yeah, that's what we're going to try and figure out some colors that would go with this. I might just do other shades of like burgundies and reds. We might grab, like abandoned coral and Victorian velvet and aged mahogany, and just make it more pinks and reds. And what's fun is this mat is textured, so it's gonna give us kind of a, yeah, I've never done this technique before. Oh, but I love it. And we're gonna dry that. But let me get these layers dried and these colors layered up, and then I'll show you where we're at when I start stamping the wreath. So I'll be back. All right. Did those 3 colors. Then I stamp that in black, and since I brought in the black with that stamping, I then matted that on a tiny thin sliver of black, so that way I had something. And then I already stamped that in there. So now I just want to finish out the front. So I've got my stamp all ready just to do the marriage part, but I decided if I want to just do it on a label or what I want to do it on. And we're kind of going by the sketch. So far the sketch we have down, it's just the 3 element now. So I think this one. Okay. I'm going to cut it out so I don't accidentally get black on anything else. I might use these frames. We'll see. We'll see how I feel about it after we get it. So this is how I do this. I ink this up. Okay, and then you peel this off. That's all set. And we're going to put it on my lovely little stamp pad from Journals for Life. I'm going to line that up in the center. That looks pretty good. Marriage. Sorry. Things make me happy. Certain things make me giddy. All right. Then that's done. Don't need the stamp pad anymore. Don't need the stamp inks anymore. Now I just gotta decide if I'm going to do these frames or not. Kind of wanna. One like that. Just add one wonky frame. Kind of like that. Or do we want it so the flowers are down? Okay, we're gonna add some glue. We've got sequins, so why not? You should always add sequins when you can. We'll do 3 over here and 3 over here. This does not match my wrapping paper at all, or her wedding, and I don't really care. I'm making a card the way I want to. That's what's happening. Perfect, because that's got gold on it. That's rose gold. There's shiny things. There's glittery things. I think it works. So there's my take on Rebecca's sketch. I made a card with it. I think it turned out pretty cute. And I did a semi-homemade because I used pre-made card base, which has pattern on it, and I enjoy that a lot. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. Sorry for this going up late. But yeah, we'll check you later. Bye.